closed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It is November 1st when I'm filming this. I don't know, this is like a periodic kind of vlog. I don't know when you'll see this. Yeah, I'm starting to decorate for Christmas. You know, 2020 has been a year, and I'm usually one of those people that like force myself to wait until after Thanksgiving to decorate. But between just moving into a new house and I just want to see it like as cozy and its full potential, because let's be honest, Christmas decoration is full potential for a house. So I want it to be at that. I want to see it at that. I'm ready for some just extra joy this year. I think we all need it. So that being said, I'm vlogging today and I'm starting to decorate. It's Sunday, and then tomorrow this afternoon and tomorrow I'll probably keep decorating. I don't know. Sorry if the lighting is a little screwy. I have you sitting on my shelf right now, but I'm gonna open these. So we're doing mini sessions. If you don't know, there's 3 of us girls and we own a photography business called Days Photography, and we are doing mini Christmas sessions this year on November, what is it, 6th and the 8th is a Friday and Saturday. And so I got a couple Christmas things for that, which sparked the Christmas spirit in me. And it's like a cold, rainy, it's not snowing, but it's a very cold, rainy day today. And I'm just in the Christmas spirit. We bought our Christmas tree. I'll explain that in a second, but I'm going to show you what we got for our Christmas mini session, which will also, in turn, once this is done, double as home decor for Christmas. So I got all 4 of these things I'm going to show you from Amazon. This is just a plaid red, white, and green blanket. We're doing our mini sessions at a Christmas tree. It's not a Christmas tree farm, just a Christmas tree area. So we've got this blanket and then this cozy knit blanket, which I'll be honest, I was gonna buy whether we used it for the mini session or not. But it is huge. I think it's a 60 by 80. And it's just a very cozy green, like there's like a pattern on it. It's just one of those like perfect like knit blankets. Super excited for those. And then I got these little pom-pom, like Christmas tree pom-pom things. Oh yeah, this is cute. And then you can like move the pom-poms throughout. That's cute. I'm gonna keep it wrapped up because we need it easily mobile to take to our mini sessions. But you can see they're just little material like pom-poms on thread. So it's like pom-pom garland. Pom-pom, that's such a wonderful word, don't you think? So we got that, and then these I haven't opened yet, but they are globe string lights. I don't know if they need a battery or not. Oh, they need an outlet. Stupid girl. Oh, okay, so this is them. Let's go plug them in. Oh my. Whoa. So they're cool. So actually I really like these. They won't work for our photo shoot though, because it needs a plug-in. I thought they were battery operated. That's my fault for not reading them. But then they also came with a little remote that syncs that I can actually like just push the button. So those are cute. I have a small Christmas tree that I think I can put those on because we got a new Christmas tree this year. Which is obviously right here. We just picked this up at Lowe's. This is what it is. So if you see it and like it, it's a pre-lit tree. Oh, I'm sorry, Lola. I'm sorry. Were we in your way? Oh, it's got a command strip to hang our wreaths on. Then this is like a little like button pusher that you can just like, well, here, that's what you do. You can just like step on it and turn it on so you don't have to like reach behind your Christmas tree to plug it in. And then I got these. They're looking silver on camera. They're actually gold. They're like a champagne-y gold. But we're gonna do these. So last year and the year before I did red and white. I honestly want the aesthetic of our Christmas decor to not be super Christmassy, just be more wintry. So I'm going to do a lot of greens and whites. Okay, update. Yeah, I am listening to Christmas music. I need to get my empty fall tote. I'm at my garage. Oh, and it's on the very bottom. That's it, down there. Okay, well I needed that to put, I needed that to put my fall stuff in. So my living room's looking pretty naked right now. You can see I have quite the assortment of fall stuff over there. I have a couple more things. This looks like such a hodgepodge on camera. I have just a couple little odds and ends, guys, I'm gonna grab, but I'm not doing that until I get my actual like thing, my tote in here, and I can't get that without Max, meaning I don't want to because I'm scared of the spiders in my garage. So I just have a nice pile of stuff here. Guys, it looks so good. I folded the top down just a little bit because it was like really high and I knew our star wouldn't fit, but I like it there. Okay, this is the first ornament going on our tree. Okay, so it's the same day. I just am in a different shirt because I got hot. I am going through, I'm pulling out like one tote at a time, and I'm like going through, and so I'm just like going through and seeing like what I have in individual totes, and yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. So I'm just pulling things out and seeing I don't have everything in here at once, so I'm just kind of showing you here and there what I'm doing. I found our bedding. So I stripped our beds. This is all gonna get washed. I pulled our sheets down, that's why it's so, or our sheets. I pulled our curtains down, that's why it's so white in, or so like bright in here. I went to get just like sheer white ones that hang down. So that's on my, I actually just added it to my Amazon cart. But then I just have our little bit of Christmas like duvet cover here. There's the comforter that we stick inside the duvet cover. And then down this direction, I have our, I don't know why, okay, this, we have two bed frames and none of our beds are on bed frames. We kind of just like our low beds. Don't come for us. I don't know why, but we do. Anyway, so this is like the Christmas bedding that is going in this room. And then I'm drying our Christmas sheets and stuff that will go on these beds. So I also need to put on these. These were honestly the curtains that were left from the old owners that just matched this room before. Because this room was like very like girly, like pink, blush, terracotta, just like those colors, like those colors. And I'm changing it. And the one other thing I did, which if you've been following me for a while, this looks familiar, but I switched out from our blush pinks, our curtains and stuff like that, and switched to our green. This is what we had in our old house for a while, and then I switched back, and you know, I just think this goes a little bit better for winter and for Christmas. So I didn't do anything to my office yet. I don't really know if I'm gonna put any Christmas decor in my office. But I do have one empty tote. This is where all of our Christmas bedding and stuff was. So that is empty. And I am working my way through this one, which actually used to have our Christmas tree in. We threw away our old Christmas tree because, oh, don't even get me started. And now this is this stuff. So I think all of our Christmas decorations and Christmas tree stuff should be in here. There's a high chance I'm wrong, but that's my plan. Okay, so my next plan on the list is to go through, what baby? What? I'm not talking to you. I just yelled at them because they just knocked down a little Christmas tree that doesn't have anything on. And so she's in trouble, and this is what she does when she's mad. She moved her paw. She just paws me like, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. It's okay, but I need you to stop, okay? So next task on the list is to go through this bag, because these are all of our Christmas ornaments, and I'm swapping them out. We just got this today, which I showed you. This is a little bit more true to color in this lighting. It's like gold champagne-ish bulbs. So I love white, green, and gold. I've always loved that for Christmas decor. I don't know why I didn't do that from the get-go. I don't know why the last 2 years. I mean, it's always been pretty. My whole lamp is like going sideways. I don't know why I didn't do this from the get-go, but I am doing it now. So I'm going to have a ton of Christmas ornaments to get rid of. I don't know if I'm going to donate them to Goodwill or see if any of my friends need them. I do not. I'm doing, like you can even see back here, I've kind of put together like a little like white, gold, and green little thingy. Yeah, so I'm going to go through that and just set aside my white ones that I'm going to keep and make a pile of the ones I'm getting rid of. Okay, so you know how people have like Christmas ornaments of like, sorry. So you know how people have like memorable Christmas ornament kind of things? Also, this is actually pretty. It just isn't my aesthetic, but it's pretty. Anyway, so I'm just like pulling out like our homemade ornaments and stuff, and look at this one. I made this for Max. We were probably juniors. I think we were juniors. But I made him this little Christmas ornament with pictures on. How cute is that? I used to do all kinds of fun stuff. I was just kind of digging down. I thought it'd be kind of entertaining to show you some of our ornaments. Like here is my cosmetology school bulb, because I was in a tea spa over Christmas, so we got Christmas bulbs. I'm pulling out all of our little snowmen because these are antique ornaments. I know, it probably stresses so many people out the way that I store my Christmas bulbs, but I just like can't be bothered to do anything more. Oh, this one was from one of my clients. It is a very expensive ornament, but one of my clients gave me this one. Hi guys, it is significantly later. Oh, so I am in the middle of making dinner, but I want to show you guys what I did. So I'm gonna obviously vlog tomorrow when I finish everything, but Max came home around 4:30 from the football game, and he helped me a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what we have done. I'm so excited for Christmas. It's like 2 months away. Okay, so this is the situation here. Let me get you to focus. Ooh. So I will still put some stuff like up over here tomorrow. This is what I have left out to decorate. Hi Lola Bug, you look like a decoration. There's our Christmas tree. We still have to get a star, obviously. And then I need to get like a Christmas pillow here. And then, I don't know, I need something here. And then I also have somewhere, they're like Christmassy things, like place setting things. And I have a runner that's gonna go right there. Lola and Lux, girls. Anyway, yeah. So that's our living room. That's what we're working with for the evening. I'm gonna wrap up tonight's part, and then I will see you in the morning. Good morning, lovely. Hi, I woke up and I'm having a heck of a day. So long story short, Halloween night, Halloween day, our heater broke, and it was the coldest day in PA so far. It was like 20 degrees. And we have a fuel pump, I think is what it's called. And so it's like something with the filter and the plug, oh no, we didn't know that. It just stopped working, and then one of our friends was at the wedding with us, and he's like, well, let me just come to the wedding after, like I can stop and check it out. Temporarily fixed it, worked all day good yesterday. Woke up this morning. This is my indoor temperature. Yep, you are seeing that right. Yep, that's my indoor temperature. So I think that one might call this karma for decorating for Halloween before it's even Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's okay. We're processing. We're processing. Anyway, that's not going to stop us because we already started, so why stop now? So we are just going to turn these lights on, get a little festive, you know? Okay guys, so I'm about to show you like the end result. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up because things have been happening. I don't even know what's going on, so I'm just gonna show you what I have done. I'll put some beat roll over it. Let's go. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I'll have more content coming soon. Thanks for watching.